Welcome to Invisible, where simple ideas make life easier. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. If you understand this conversation, your English is improving step by step. Today, we're talking about something very interesting, very modern, and very important: artificial intelligence.
Yes, artificial intelligence, or AI. You hear this word everywhere now, on the internet, on social media, even in daily conversations.
But let's start simple. What is artificial intelligence?
Good question. In simple words, artificial intelligence is when machines can learn, can think, and can make decisions, almost like humans.
Yes, but not exactly like humans. Machines don't have emotions, they don't feel, but they can analyze information very fast.
Exactly. They learn from data. The more data they have, the better they become.
Think about your phone. When you search something or when you watch videos, you see suggestions.
Yes, and those suggestions are not random. They're based on AI.
That means AI is already part of your life, even if you don't notice it.
That's true, and it makes life easier in many ways.
For example, it saves time, it helps people make decisions, and it gives quick answers.
But at the same time, some people are worried.
Yes, they're worried about jobs. They think AI will replace humans.
What do you think?
I think AI will replace some jobs, but not all.
Yes, especially repetitive jobs, simple tasks, things that don't require creativity.
But humans are different. We think, we feel, we create.
And that's something AI cannot fully replace.
At least not now.
Another important thing, AI is helping people learn.
Yes, especially languages like English.
You can listen, you can practice, you can repeat.
Exactly. And that's what you're doing right now.
You're listening and improving step by step.
But let's talk about something important: privacy.
Yes, AI uses a lot of data, your data.
And sometimes people don't know how their data is used.
That's why you need to be careful.
Do you think AI is dangerous?
I think AI itself is not dangerous, but how people use it can be dangerous.
That's a very important idea. Technology is a tool.
And tools depend on the user.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about the future.
AI will become more powerful, more present, more important.
Maybe in homes, in cars, in everything around us.
That sounds exciting, but also a little scary.
Yes, but remember, balance is important.
Use AI, but don't depend on it too much.
Think for yourself, learn, and stay curious.
That's the key. Outro.
If you understood this conversation, you are doing great.
Keep practicing every day. Even a little makes a big difference.
And don't forget, subscribe to Invisible.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.